Hi, Z babies. Look what we have. Ooh. We're gonna be building our PC. Well, not me. I don't know what all this stuff is, but yeah. Baby gonna make it do what it do. I'm just here for more support. Stay tuned. Amen.
Ooh. Ooh. $400. Babe, don't you see me with my other woman right now? Girl. We're gonna spend a lot of time together. The wifey gonna leave us alone. As long as we working for her. You know? As long as we edit a couple of her pictures, we gonna be just fine.
Look at him, y'all. Already cheating on me.
It's just gonna be me and you. Just look at her. And she thick.
She is pretty.
And she thick.
She pretty.
Look at
Y'all, she prettier than me. Just no makeup. No makeup.
Ain't nobody prettier than you.
I
mean, but she do a lot more.
Okay. Babe said this is called the water cooler. I don't know what these
There you go. You want to
stuff
read it?
is. Okay, liquid freezer. Yeah.
The liquid freezer. Yeah. I'm fucking weak. Our dog be leaving her remnants everywhere.
Yeah. We have a Great Pyrenees.
That's our daughter.
We love her though.
Just like her mama leaving her.
Just like her daddy, leaving her everywhere. We just a hairy family. Y'all see that? Natural.
Warning. Please peel off label before use. Let's not forget that step.
Okay.
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 Will you hear that water?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hear it.
Feel how cold it is already without it being out. Water cooler.
Just keep the computer cool.
Keep your CPU cool.
I got it right.
Well, you kind of cheated.
Oh.
Because it's a computer piece, and you like, it keep your computer cool. And it's cooler. So,
yeah. Give me my props.
but what you can say is it keeps the CPU cool. Because it's the CPU cool. So if anybody asks you what part is in the computer, you be like, we got an Arctic CPU cooler, liquid. Liquid cooler. We don't do that air stuff.
Got it.
We liquid around here, you feel me? And she big too. She got RGBs on her. Y'all already know she gonna program them to be yellow or something. I already know.
Ooh, it looks so cool.
Okay. Where's her brackets? Grandma. Right here. What is my type?
Moral support baddie.
Not you. How you say that word?
You know I be stumbling on my words sometimes.
At least you trying to say it right. Some people just say fuck it.
Moral.
Mara.
You moral support.
I'm moral support. Moral support. Oh, murder support. No. Moral.
Y'all want to see closer?
You over there breaking shit?
No, Papa. No, I'm not. Oh, yes, I am. Look, I'm just trying to get it so my Z babies can see properly.
So you can see my ashy fingers. Now, there's a reason why I didn't lotion my hands.
They
Yeah.
always ask y'all.
That part, and I won't get no oils on the computer chips.
Smart.
Cause I sure ain't using no gloves like a smart person would be using. Ain't nobody got time for that.
That's what you said you gotta be careful with.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, you already putting it on too?
But it's the first time.
Oh.
It's a CPU, Central Processing Unit. Can't do shit without it. Working. Y'all don't judge. I know what these scissors is for. But we cooking right now.
Hey.
Oh, I almost cut a dread. No, shit, this part. I almost cut a dread. Ooh. My moral support lady was fumbling. I don't know nothing about that, buddy. I don't know nothing.
Yeti.
Bam. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeti.
Bam.
Yeti.
Who was scared?
Look at me, y'all. This what I gotta do. Ah, this good hair.
Oh. Expensive. Oops.
Pretty penny. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take your time.
Okay. Whew. Let's see. There's arrows on here that tell you. Okay, arrows facing that way. Whoa. Whoa. My fat ass fingers. Ooh. This motherfucker heavy. Hey, more support. Time for the scary part. I guess the whole thing, the scary part, huh? What is it? Thousands of dollars. Any fuck up is thousands of dollars. Some good ass braided tubes. Ain't no cap. Yes, make it contact. Ram time.
Ew.
Ram time. SSD time. Not you. Ooh, you old for real. That's what it is. Maybe in your 20s, but you in your 40s.
No.
Ooh, what the fuck?
That's what my friends say. You just an old soul.
You still in the 70s. Let's party, y'all. You got going on, baby.
Mm-hmm.
This is the time. Alright, I'll focus y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, more support. Let's see what you got. Let's see. Oh shit. Let's see what you got. I need that gray box too. I mean, not gray.
This?
Yeah. No, the vanilla one. Brown. Whatever color that is. Tan.
Brown, babe.
You know I'm colorblind. Same color as your pants. Tan.
Ooh.
Thank you, more support.
You're welcome. Ooh-wee.
Just slide it over here. Is it heavy? Watch your butt. You might hit Bertha Senior. God, she said she wanted the help, but it's her helper.
Okay. Whew. Oh, lady.
Let's take the styrofoam off.
Okay.
What's up?
Like that.
Take it off.
Hey there, big girl. So should I just pick it up now?
Yeah. Wrap all the way around her.
Okay.
Step on the styrofoam so it don't step on it. There you go. There you go. She heavy for you? She shouldn't be that
She
heavy.
okay.
She ain't got nothing in her yet.
Just my pretty nails.
Oh yeah, she empty. And now when she get all this stuff in her, she about to be, get it. Stuff there.
On top of her bed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Careful. Beep, beep.
Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it
Yeah,
up.
she's struggling. Look at her breathing hard.
Okay.
All right, good job.
Voila. This is a power supply. The power supply.
It's a what, babe?
Oh,
No, you said it right. How you,
power supply.
like, yeah. See how you suck.
Power supply. Power supply. Hold on. I tried to do this.
You opening it?
Me no.
My favorite unboxer.
Unwrapper.
Unwrapping the power supply.
There we go. There we go, mate.
Clean up my mess and you making the best.
No, I ain't. Okay.
I thought you was gonna take it out the box.
My pretty nails.
Pretty
I'm too-
nails, y'all.
I'm too cute for school. I just sit and look pretty. Beauty and the Beast.
I mean,
You know what I mean.
you know it's ugly, but damn.
My handsome beast.
Manteca.
Mantic. Mantic.
Mantic.
Mantic.
Mantic. Mantic.
Hey. Yeah, man. I'm over here talking about some mate and then, yeah, man.
Oh, God.
I don't know what I want to be.
Just gonna be Z. That's just like you gonna be.
Hey. I'm just me.
It man's thick. Okay. Damn, some thick ass power supply. Okay.
Look, guys. You built that?
Yay.
Before we go to the movies, this is what I have to deal with.
All right, y'all. I gotta go. Gotta go on a date. See y'all later. Bye.